Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make these simple cards. This I made for New Year, and this one I made using old invitation cards, and it's completely handmade. I've written happy birthday. I just used some beads. Okay, this one I used a bottle to cut bottle cap. I cut it in this shape and I wrote Happy New Year, and again I have used some beads. So we just have 2 or 3 days left to celebrate Mother's Day. Since all of us are at home, let us all make some cards and give to our mothers. Let's get started. To make these cards, you will need some cardstock, or you will need a chart paper. It can be any size, it can be any color. It all depends on your own choice. Okay, here I've cut it previously, and I have this which is already it's a cardstock, so I have two of them. And then you will need some pattern paper. If you have, you can use them. If you don't have, then so you can pick some color paper. And I got this some day back. I don't remember. I found it in my cupboard, so I think I'll be making use of this ribbon. And then you'll need a scale, you'll need a scissor, you'll need some glue, and you'll need pencil for marking. There's no measurement and all, for some small markings only. I usually don't like measuring my work. Like, I want it to fit. I don't want to make anything waste, so I'll maximum use everything that is there. So I usually don't do big measurement stuff and all. So let's get started. The first card I'll be making using this white cardstock and this pattern paper. So now, if you see, this is very big, right? So I'm using my ruler and pencil. I'm just aligning it to the pattern paper. I am drawing a line. Okay, I am going to make one more. So you can see I've drawn 3 lines. Now I'm going to cut it. So we got one piece. We'll be doing it. I usually don't use scissors. I use the cutter. I use the scale and then just cut it along the line. That, it saves a lot of time, but but I don't know why I choose to use the scissors today. Please bear with me. So we've got 3 pieces. Now actually the card looks like this. Okay, I folded it. That's how cards look. So I've made this. Again, this is long, right? So I am going to cut it, like I'm going to fold this into half, and I will just see how much it is going to measure. I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to fold this, and I'm going to cut it. Again, I'm going to fold it. So yes, we have 3 pieces of cardstock. You can align them like so. You can glue them like this, or you can make them as banners. It's very simple to make banners. You have the piece, you just fold it at the bottom like so, just to find the center. Okay. So once you've got the center, just make a small cut, and you will have to cut it from the corners like this. Okay, like so. You can use this as a template, and you can cut the remaining 2 pieces. You'll just need to follow the mark. So you can always go back and trim if you're not satisfied. Or simply you can just eyeball the center and cut it. I am going to use some glue and glue them down. That's the first one. If you think you can't align them properly, then I usually follow this. I will stick the corners first, and then I will go with the middle one. So this doesn't seem to fit, so I'm just going to trim off the ends a little. So we've got this. This is plain, like it's white, so any color will go, but still I prefer adding this scrap. So I am just going to cut this piece of paper. That seems to be big. I think I'll cut it a little more. Now we can use any pen, like we can use this stick pen, or we can use some glitter pen, anything that you want to write whatever card you're making, as if it is for a birthday or you know, some anniversary or some thank you, some special cards, anything that you want, you can write it here. I always like to add some stitches to my card, like it's very simple. It is just drawing lines around the corner. I'll show you how. I don't know, it just gives some nice look. I like it, so I usually add this. It just makes the card pop a little from the background, so I do this. It's very simple. You just need to draw small lines with some gaps in between. It doesn't need to be very perfect and all. That is it. Okay. Now I am going to give this card to my mother, so I'm going to write Happy Mother's Day, and I'm using some bold colors. Yeah, I think I'll go with purple. So it's going to say Happy Mother's Day. You don't need a fancy handwriting or something. Normal writing will do, because this card is just going to show you how much you love your mother. That is how much it's going to do. So it says Happy Mother's Day. I'm just going to add some beads and finish it off. So you have enough space inside to write, and I think it was easy, and I hope everybody will try it. Please make a card, give it to your mother, make her feel special on Mother's Day. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.